And I want to share with you guys another kind of unique item that I found that happens to be a cool collaboration between Evangelion and eye drops. Go figure, right? This is actually an eye drop. And you can see here that we've got Asuka's picture, her eyes here. So there's a few different ones with different characters on them. The brand of eye drop is FX, and I'll open it up here so you guys can see better. I know there's a lot of glare from the plastic, but you do not often see character kind of collaborations like this for eye drops. The kids' eye drops sometimes feature Hello Kitty or Pokemon or something like that, but for the adult ones you tend not to see it. But you can tell they're really trying to market to the young guy, especially who's working these days in an office. Eye drops are a really common sale in Japan because everybody's working all day long in front of a computer. They need something to kind of relax their eyes. And then there's also terrible hay fever here from all the trees that were planted after the war, and so it's a common thing that people just always buy. I think there's a lot more people who, I think you probably assume that pretty much everybody always has eye drops in their pocket here, whereas, you know, in the States, not many people use them unless they have contact lenses or they commonly have allergies. It's definitely just a part of things here. So there's some that are really cool. They really make your eye, they have like a menthol in them or something, make your eyes really cool and awake. This is a cool one too here. And again, there's still some plastic here, so you can't really see so good, but these are purchased at drugstores, and you know, those places are discount drug shops that you can get snacks and other things too. They sell food and stuff there too. So, this is kind of what it is. If it's for people with contact lenses only, it does usually say in katakana contact lens for contacto. If you are familiar with that writing, you can see that. But so this is kind of the deal here. And to let you know the grade of the eye drop, this is a really good eye drop. So in terms of, you know, if it's really strong, I should say. And then this number here is a grade information about the eye drop. And 2 is actually kind of low. You're probably better off having 3 if you could, if you're really worried about it. But anyways, we open up here. And the box is the big thing, right? You get to have a cool picture. The actual eye drop itself does feature the little logo here that if you're a fan of Evangelion, you'll notice this and it'll mean something to you. If you're not, you'll just look at it and be like, whatever. But this particular eye drop normally is in an all black case. So the fact that it's got the red and black is definitely, you know, a way of doing a little kind of collaboration there between everything. You just twist the top here, and then you've got eye drops. So kind of cool. I think the eye drops here are always really neat and pretty. Even just regular old eye drops look kind of cool like this. So, you know, maybe not something you were thinking of if you were going to be coming out here for a visit, but if you happen to be around and see them, you know, this runs maybe 400 or 500 yen, not too bad. You know, they're nice eye drops too. So, but yeah, that kind of just gives you guys a quick look at some Evangelion FX Neo eye drops by Sante.